when I wake up, I feel no.
Hey everyone! So my name is Nicole and welcome back again for another video. So for today's video, I am going to share you guys my latest and most updated skincare routine. So yes, actually this skincare routine is super lifesaver. Sobrang nag-improve talaga yung appearance ng skin ko. Walang halong etchos or kahit ano, sobrang nag-brighten talaga yung skin ko. Nawala yung mga irritation, talagang nag-smoothen yung skin ko and sobrang saya ko and I just wanted to share you guys kung ano ba yung mga skincare products na ginamit ko. So if you want to know more guys, just keep on watching. So for today's video, I am going to review the skincare line of SKIN1004 Brightening Tone Set. So if you are not yet familiar with SKIN1004, so this brand is from South Korea. And if you love K-drama, K-pops, mapapansin naman natin na sobrang bright ng mga skin nila, no? Sobrang dewy, sobrang healthy. And then I thought, ano ba yung mga skincare na ginagamit ng mga Koreans? And this is one of the top skincare brand. Before this brand reached out to me, before they send me their products, sponsored me, is I am already curious about this brand since it was endorsed by a lot of content creators such as Michelle D, Lou Sanchez. They are using these products and I'm really curious kung nakita ko to sa Shopee. So I thought, why not give it a try, diba? This skincare is perfect for all skin types. So whether you are dry, normal, oily, acne prone, sensitive, basta lahat is perfect for this. So it has this key ingredient that is called Centella asiatica. So Centella asiatica came from the clean nature of Madagascar. It is also paraben-free and alcohol-free. So yes, this is free from alcohol, lalo na if natatapangan kayo sa alcohol. So if you want to try a skincare na gusto nyong pumuti, mag-brighten yung skin nyo, and ayaw nyo yung feeling na parang nababatak yung balat nyo, mahapde yung may alcohol. So in my case, personally, I have a dry skin. So sobrang nagda-dry siya. And I also have combination. Like dry yung cheeks ko, and sa T-zone ko, medyo oily siya minsan dito. Like dito sa forehead, nose, and chin ko. Sometimes oily, sometimes dry. It depends on the weather. This rainy season is sobrang dry talaga ng skin ko, especially malamig. I have dry patches here before. I will just insert photos and videos, and hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung skincare na gagamitin ko because before, yung skincare that I use has alcohol and that alcohol really irritates my dry skin. So these are the skincare that I am really using. So these are again from Centella, Madagascar, SKIN1004 Brightening Tone Set. So actually these are just 3 set, and if you buy this on Shopee as a set, you can save money. I've been using this skincare for almost a month already, and here are the result and the improvement in my skin. So I will be dividing this vlog into 3 parts. So first part of the video is I will going to share you guys each product of the skincare line. By the way, those products on my skincare step are 3 lang. So sobrang dali lang niya. Kahit na you are lazy, you are tired, you can still use this skincare. And second is I will going to show you the actual video of me using it, how my skin improves. And the third one is my final verdict or my final opinion about this product, whether you must try this. So yes, those are all of the parts of the video. So for the first step in my skincare is I am using this foam gel cleanser. This is a combination of removing my makeup and also cleansing my face. So I will going to show you guys how it looks like. So sobrang minimalist ng packaging. This is the Brightening Cleansing Foam Gel. So the main ingredient of this foam brightening cleanser is it has this again Centella asiatica that is made pure, that can help you remove your irritation. It can help you also moisturize and hydrate your skin. So just like my skin type, I have a dry skin. It helps me give moisture. Hindi siya yung parang, ano ba yung after mo gumamit ng Kojic soap, parang hindi siya tight sa skin, hindi siya sobrang tapang. So this is a perfect use, and also it has this brightening effect. So it has this main white ingredient. So yeah, this is a good skincare for me, especially it also removes your makeup and then cleanse your face. So 2-in-1 na siya. And guys, pansin ko, even I'm using mascara or waterproof eyeliner, is madali niyang natatanggal. Okay, now moving on to the second part of my skincare is my toner. So this is the toner that I'm using. So this is the Brightening Booster Toner from Centella. And also, just like the cleanser, it has the main ingredient, which is Centella asiatica, all the way from Madagascar. So this is a organic kind of toner. And also, this is water-based. So, hindi siya alcohol, just like yung other toner na kapag in-apply mo siya using your cotton pad is mahapde, like may stingy effect. Wala talaga to. Para ka lang naglalagay ng tubig sa face mo and sobrang sarap niya lang sa feeling. You can use a cotton pad when applying this, or also you can use it just directly to your hand. So what I noticed here, it helps you to brighten your dull face. And it helps you hydrate your face if you have a dry skin like me. It gives you moisture. It works also as a moisturizer. And also if you have like this acne prone or oily skin, this is very mild. Napansin ko dito when you apply this on your skin is that it doesn't evaporate quickly. It provides you a softer skin. Hindi siya parang tight sa skin. Paraben-free and alcohol-free. So I really love this toner. So for the third part of my skincare is I am using serum or moisturizer. So this is the serum that I'm using. So this is the Madagascar Centella Brightening Capsule Ampule. So when I use this works as your moisturizer. It helps you brighten your skin. If mahilig ka magpa-brighten ng skin and ayaw mo yung feeling na medyo stingy, mahapde, parang nababatak yung skin mo, is you can use this because it also helps you to smoothen your skin. It has 4% of niacinamide that will help you brighten up your skin. I also discovered that using this serum helps you to calm down your skin, especially if sensitive skin ka and talagang nagkakabutlig ka, na-irritate yung skin mo, you have acne. So basically, these are all my skincare. We have the cleanser, the toner, the serum or the brightening capsule ampule. So these are all my skincare. If mapapansin nyo, talagang bawas na sila lahat. Because I've been using this for months already or 3 weeks. And these are the improvement in my skin. Sobrang nag-brighten talaga siya. And sobrang natutuwa talaga ako sa skincare na to. No regrets. I really love this skincare. And I will still and always continue this skincare.
There is a follower price of 100 pesos off when you are a follower from Shopee or Instagram account. So make sure you check out their Shopee and Instagram account.
Dancing in a corduroys when the sun sets while we're shooting Polaroids. Do not forget, girl, you're looking like it's 1994.
So yeah, basically my final verdict is that you've noticed that skin is getting brighter. Like, if mahilig kayo magpaputi and ayaw nyo yung talagang nababatak yung mukha nyo, may masakit ingredient, may alcohol, you can use this skincare line. So I really love this skincare. And also, if you are struggling with your acne, you have acne prone skin, you can also use this to treat your acne because it has a natural ingredient. Like, it doesn't have any ingredient that contain alcohol. So yeah, this is a perfect use to calm your skin if gusto mo lang i-rest yung skin mo after rejuvenating. So this is also perfect. And then lastly, I'm very happy because from my skin, from this up to this, ito po yung naging result and hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Ito po yung skin ko and sobrang bright niya, guys. And hindi siya dull, hindi siya dry, hindi rin siya ganun ka-acne. This is the result on my skin. So all of their Shopee accounts are on the description box if gusto niyo sila matry. So basically, that is it for my skincare routine, my updated skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, please subscribe down below and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this in the future. I also make earning video vlogs and also I do product review, especially this. So ayan, thank you so much guys for watching. Again, this is Nicole and I'm very happy to have you on my channel. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next one. Stay healthy and stay glowing up. Goodbye. Thank you.
Since I'm